Hello, my name is Frank Laverde, and I am the Florida Caribbean Distillers Financial Senior Manager. I'm here to represent the company. Florida Caribbean Distillers is one of the oldest distillers in the U.S. We have been in business since 1943. We distill our own products. We go from rums to citrus alcohol, and a very popular product that's the other than standard orange wine. We are very happy to be here and offer our products to everybody. Hope we're going to be here next year and we will see you again. Thank you.